you made it back for another A5 rings unboxing with paper standards. Let's get into it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Meeks and I am back with another unboxing. Y'all know what time it is. It's 2023. We setting up our planners. We getting our planners ready for the new year. Yay! I got another handwritten note. Y'all, I love that every single time I order from Shay, she always writes a handwritten note like it's my first order. Like, I so appreciate that, girl. I appreciate you. Eek, I'm so excited. You guys, look at this packaging. It looks so nice. Oh my gosh. So, yep, y'all see it. It's 2 planners. So, let me take it out of this box. And then let me get my little goodies in my accessory bag and place this to the side. Okay. So sorry about the shakes, y'all. Let me dust off my little patina mat from that shipping dust. Okay, so we are going to start with the accessories. So I love ordering from Shay because she always has cute wrapping with everything. So if you ever order accessories, you may receive one of these clear, like translucent bags, and they're really great to reuse. Like right now I'm reusing some to hold some jewelry accessories that I have, but I really like these. So shout out to Shay. So the first thing that I got was this spring pin set. Y'all, I love this. This is like so my vibe. Like, look at all of the pretty pinks. And of course, there is a yellow pin. So I had to go ahead and test this out. The tip is covered, but we'll go ahead and do a pin test real fast on these. So I did get some paper standards grade sticky notes. I got these sticky notes because I do have the a few paper standard stickies, but I was missing these and a few more. So I just said that throughout the year I'm gonna just gather the ones that I want, which is all of them. So I'm gonna gather all of the ones that I want and then add them to my stash. So let me go ahead and just show you the tip on this pen. So first, let me pull this off. Okay, boom. So this little nib is off. Got a little ink on my finger, but it's okay. Won't be the first time. So look at how beautiful this tip is. And I'll just write, hey, 2023. You know what I'm saying? Hey, 2023. So I really like that. Love the tip on this. So that is the pen set and the grid pad that I got from Paper Standards. Now let's get into the planners and the rest of the goodies that I got. Okay, so this is box number 1. So I did order 2 colors that are going to be the main planners that I'm using throughout the year. This is the first. This is the almond, y'all. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Like, I really like this. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I so love this. It's so everything. So, hold on, y'all. Let's see. Let me get it back focused and let me just zoom in a little bit so that you guys can see the detail. So first off, this hardware is gold. You do have the Paper Standards imprint in there, and look at this crock. Like, I love the size of the crock and that it is really standard throughout. So y'all know it's always Paper Standards on mine. So I'm gonna pull up the steel. I'm gonna pull up the steel and see, you can see with the steel, it has like tiny crock and then big crock. So this one is lovely because this piece of the leather is all of the same size crock. So I love that. And I shout out to Paper Standards for just being consistent quality. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the first color that I got, is this almond. Now I really got the almond because, y'all, the orange planner that I have in the fall, it gets so much love, and the next color shade is this color, the almond. So let me go ahead and pull out cognac. Okay, that's what she calls it. And look at the color variation, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's just so gorgeous. And that's why I got it, because I feel like the undertones in this almond are this cognac. So I really love the leather Really, really, really love it. So this is my fall planner, the planner that's on my page all fall that I do have a flip through of. And this is the one that I received today for 2023. It's up there. So I love, love the color of this. And let me put this away. And now I'm going to unbox the next color that I got, y'all. Now this is a little out. If you know me, I'm not a big pink person, but as I grow in myself and my femininity, I'm learning that I do love pink. Ah! It's gorgeous. She is so cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Like, she's all of that, y'all. And my inserts, my weekly inserts. Y'all, I cannot live without these inserts. I'm so happy. Y'all, I'm so happy with my order. Like, look at the stitching and everything. Like, okay, the paper standards emblem also. Like, but look at this. And I really felt like, okay, so look at these together. Like, look at these together. That is just the most beautiful combo that you ever did see. Okay, let me zoom out. But let me not, though. Like, look at, oh, and this is how the steel is. How it's small and then medium size. I mean, and then big croc leather. And this is all the, y'all, I'm so smitten. I am just in love, y'all. And I mean, you know, quiet as it's kept, these are still on sale for $59 on paperstandards.com. So, you know, you don't have to miss out on this. This is not a nobody can get this. Like, these are still for sale for $59 at paperstandards.com. And I feel like for 2023, like, you can't go wrong. Like, she don't miss. And now let's get into the inserts that I have for my 2023 setup. These are my inserts that are standard. I only ordered, I believe this comes with 18 weeks. It'll be on the screen, however many weeks this comes with. But I ordered this, and I'm going to go ahead and order one more because last year I ran out in the middle of the year at such an awkward time. I was like out of town and it was so weird. And then I had to wait on these. So I'm going to go ahead and just order another one just so I have some on standby. But this is my weekly insert. Y'all, I love this insert. I'm going to just go ahead and just walk you guys through it real fast. It's really simple. This is the week. This is the priorities, the important dates, and then the notes and reminders. And then on the back is another top priorities, a to-do list, and then a blank space. So for the week, because I am a daily planner, this is all I need every single week. And it's very detailed. I love that it has separate top priorities. So if I want to set business priorities and mom life, or, you know, however I want to do that, I can do. And then I just have a to-do list so I can scratch stuff off. So I really, really love that because it allows me to delegate things, to see my week at an overview, which is all I really want out of an insert. So I love these. It's not too detailed, not too much writing. It pairs well with my monthly and my daily routines. And so that is why I always choose to re-up on the Paper Standards weekly inserts. She does have another two different styles of inserts. One I feel like is a more like journaling standard size, and then she also has a horizontal kit. So definitely look it out, but check them out. But I love this week on one page. It's my favorite. So that is what I got for 2023, y'all. This ain't it, but this is like, this is so much. Like, this is so much like love and sexual like gorgeousness. I'm just so smitten by my planners. Like, so clearly I'm gonna go and play with my planners and just be in love with all my new goodies that I got. I definitely think that this year 2023 is going to be a year of prosperity and peace, and that is literally all that I'm asking for is prosperity and peace. So give thanks, and thank y'all so much for hanging out with me. I'm so excited for 2023, and you know, we bringing it in right. So if you guys have any questions on my Paper Standards order, please drop them in the comments below. I'm very happy to answer any questions you have about the quality, the shipping, the texture, or this Black woman owned brand. Again, these planners are still listed on paperstandards.com. They're listed for, I believe they're on sale for $59. So I would say go ahead and get these before the getting is gone, y'all. And if you guys did not see, I do have a monthly setup of how I set up my month to correlate with my weeks. So check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.